welcome back to another video. So this is my previous set. I am going to remove the gel polish and do a refill and then show you guys how I did these Valentine's Day inspired nails. But before we dive in any further, please remember to give this video a like, please share, subscribe to my channel for more, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload. Thank you. So I'm just showing you guys how I remove the gel polish from my nails. I'm using my Makartt nail drill and a medium grit safety bit to remove the gel polish. I don't like to use a coarse bit because sometimes it's almost as if it's so coarse that it's not removing the product as much as I would like or as neat as I would like. So I like to use a medium grit safety bit for this. After I have finished removing the gel polish, I removed any lifting that I had. For some reason I keep having a lifting and I'm using the Young Nails Protein Bond, but I'm thinking that maybe I didn't get the genuine product because I did purchase this off of eBay. But I recently purchased from their website, so hopefully that will come soon so that I can see if it makes a difference. But now I'm just showing you guys the difference between the Makartt sanding bands versus the ones that I purchased off of AliExpress. I like the Makartt ones, but they are a bit too bulky. As you can see, they're a bit thicker than the other ones, so to get around the cuticle area, it's a bit, I just don't like it for that, so I prefer the ones from AliExpress. So yeah, now I am just gently pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm going to go in with that 180 grit sanding band from AliExpress and the Makartt nail drill, and I'm just going to remove the natural shine from the nails. And if you see me going over some areas, it wasn't necessarily my natural nail. I was filing the acrylic itself some of the times to try to blend it back with my nail. So yeah. Now it's time for my favorite part, the acrylic application. I'll be using my Young Nails Protein Bond, my Secret Monomer, and my Secret acrylic powder in the color pink. That's just a light translucent pink. It's almost clear pretty much. Yeah, and I'll also be using this Fujifinest Kolinsky brush. I haven't really been using this brush. I've mostly been using the Alpha brush in the size 9, but I find that it's a bit small and I'm just not really comfortable using it that much. So I decided to just go with the Fujifinest today, and it worked for me. As you will see, acrylic application is pretty easy since the brush is bigger. So now I am going in with the Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'll be giving my nails 2 coats of that. I'm just going in with the first coat, and then I'm going to do nail by nail the second coat before I apply the acrylic. So I've left this in real-time speed, and as you can see, it is so easy to just use this brush. I don't have to keep going in every time to fill spaces. I'm able to pick up enough liquid and product to apply to the nail. So I really like this brush, and I was thinking of purchasing a bigger brush, not bigger than the size 12, but I was thinking of purchasing some more alpha brushes in bigger sizes. Maybe I'll still do that, or maybe I'll just get some from my local stores here. But yeah, I definitely, now that I'm using this brush, I definitely see what I've been missing. So I think I'm back to my bigger size 12 brush. I'm just gonna allow you guys to watch this, and I will come back once I have finished with the acrylic application. I did not leave any filing in because it was a bit awkward and difficult to file from the angle I was at, and to also stay in frame. So I just left that part out because this video is mostly about the design of the nails. So yeah, just keep watching and I'll be back. So now that I am finished with the acrylic application and I have buffed and shaped my nails off camera, I am going in again with the Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm applying a coat of that to each of the acrylic nails because it helps with your gel polish adhesion. One thing I must say is that I totally hate the brush in this Young Nails Protein Bond because it's just so small. It doesn't spread out nicely. It's a hassle to really apply the product to the nails. I just wish they could make the brushes better, a little bit wider and easier to just glide over the nails. So now that I have applied the protein bond to all of my nails, I am going in with this Venalisa Gel Polish in the color 1530, and as you can see it's a white color, and I'm applying that to the ring finger and the middle finger, and then I am going to cure and come back. Cool. So before I cure the nails, I am just using some acetone and a brush to clean around the cuticle area before I pop those in the nail in before I pop those in the lamp, because once it's cured and you don't want your nails to look messy, and you also don't want your gel polish to start peeling off of your nail. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop those in the lamp for about a minute, and then I'll come back. I'm gonna do a second coat on the middle finger, and then I'll show you guys how I did the marble nail. Okay, so now onto the ring finger. I am just picking up some white and I'm going to just plop that all over the nail, and then I'll be going in with a dotting tool and I am going to pick up some of the red. This is in the shade 1638. But yeah, I'm going to use that, and then I'm also going to use the dotting tool and just swirl that around, get that all over the nail, make sure it's not bulky and too textured. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just swirling it, to my liking. It's pretty simple, nothing hard, nothing technical. It's just pretty simple and easy. So for the middle nail, I had something totally different in mind, but I started to add some dots of the red, and then I just used the same dotting tool and just started to kind of swirl it a little bit as well. So you'll see how that turned out, and once I did that, I actually liked it, so I just played with it a little bit and just made it how I wanted it or whatever. So yeah. So I popped those in the lamp to cure, and now I'm going back in with the color 1638, and I'm going to just polish the rest of the nails. And yeah, so I'm going to do 2 coats of this. I'm applying the first layer and I'm going to pop those into cure, and then I'll come back and do a second layer and I'll come back to you guys. So now that I have finished polishing the nails, I am going in with the Venalisa No Wipe top coat, and I'm going to apply that to the nails and pop those into cure again, and then I'll show you guys the final results. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you liked the design. If you did, please give this video a like. Please comment and let me know what you think, and please subscribe to my channel for more, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload.